18. May I come in? May I come in, teacher? Please, come in. Ashok, what's the matter? I have a bad headache. Do you want to go home and rest? Yes, please. Can you go alone? Or should I call your father? My house is nearby. I can go alone. Alright then. Take care. Thank you. Let's try this. 1. Butterflies. Butterflies, butterflies, up, up, up. Butterflies, butterflies, down, down, down. Butterflies, butterflies, in, in. Butterflies, butterflies, out, out, out. Next 2. Write the color of the object in the space given. Ball, yellow. Comment this. Leaf, green. Flower, pink. Chair, brown. Elephant, brown. Sun, yellow.